Alright, so let's split this rudder off and make its mounting post. So insert, surface, offset, change it to 0. And you'll notice it changes to copy. Click on that face, and that face. Click OK, and then just hide that for a minute. So click on the rudder, find the plane it was drawn on, center line, start sketch, and just draw around the piece you want to cut off. Make that edge and that parallel, and give it a dimension. So right click, dimension, make it 15, and then insert, surface, extrude, change it to mid-plane, click OK, and then insert, features, split, click on the surface extrude, the body you want to cut, click cut bodies, select the vertical tail, and ensure consume cut bodies is ticked, and then double click here and enter a name, call it something, click save, click OK, and then if you control tab, your new rudder tail piece is now in a separate part file. So we'll just go back to the main, and the surface offset that we made a minute ago, right click on that and show. And also the sketch we used for the split. So this sketch, expand and show that sketch. And then again find the plane that it was drawn on. So rudder plane 8. Start sketch. Click on this line and then convert entities, and then offset entities, click the line, and then however much you want them to overlap each other, so 10mm in this case, click OK and close the sketch, click on this sketch and hide, and then insert, surface, trim. So click on the tool on the sketch and then keep selections, highlight the bit you want to keep, click OK, and you should be left with that. So right click on that and click isolate, and you're left with this, and then insert, surface fill to turn it into a solid. So click the perimeter, fix up boundary, merge result, create solid, click OK, and then spin it around and insert surface fill, click on that and that edge, and then merge result, create solid, click OK, and then you can see that that is now a solid body. So then click exit isolate, and you can see that is on there. And then button insert features, insert face move, and then click on this face, change it to 0.81 and flip direction, and click on this back face, click OK, and then insert features, combine, click that body and that body, and there you have that bit now ready for your rudder to sit on.